What really matters for today, this is Rodney. You realize that modesty doesn't stop with how you dress. Modesty is a heart issue. Modest behavior is something that is learned from being centered on God's Word. It involves training the brain to think right and therefore to do right. Examples include speaking in a quiet voice. Proverbs 11 and verse 12. He that is void of wisdom despises his neighbor, but a man of understanding holds his peace. Taking other people's feelings into consideration before acting. Philippians 2 and verse 3. Let nothing be done through strife, but in lowliness of mind, esteem others better than yourself. By being kind. Ephesians 4 and verse 32. Be kind to one another, tenderhearted, forgiving one another. Thinking before you act. James 1 and verse 19. Wherefore, my beloved brethren, let every man be swift to hear, slow to speak, and slow to wrath. I know that's a tall order, but modesty involves so much more than just covering your skin. Be modest today. And that's what really matters for today in that minute from the Leoma Church of Christ.